Over time, the soul has been considered to be the essence of all living beings. It was long believed that every human has a soul that outlives the physical body to travel to other dimensions after the body ceased to exist. The search for the soul has now come to a conclusion. The identity particle. With the discovery of the Higgs boson in the early 21st century, the road was paved for further interatom research of the human body. A specialized research team led by Dr. Yoshin made a groundbreaking discovery in 2034. In between the tiniest neutrons, elements of unknown purpose were found. Originally named the element of Yoshin, its purpose remained a mystery. After extensive research, these elements were dismissed being important for humans to function. Research stopped. In the meantime, the field of human genome research made huge progress. By 2046, it was possible to clone every part of the human body as a replacement for its original. Even the most complex organ, the brain, could be duplicated and replaced with all memories inside. In 2076, immortality was recognized as a universal human right. In 2019, Apple Inc. started to invest in healthcare and pushed research on human cloning. Following huge corporate expansion, Apple Inc. eventually bought the United States in 2055, and started to outlaw all competition. The three mega-nations on the Eurasia continent were purchased by the Huawei-Hyundai conglomerate between 2060 and 2072. In 2077, these two companies announced an extensive merger. By 2088, 60% of the world population was employed by these two companies, working in virtual technologies and virtual well-being. Another 15% of the population was working in healthcare technology and research for Apple Incorporated eye care. In 2094, immortal people spend an average of 97% of their time in the virtual world, only to disconnect for medical maintenance. Independent research on the element of Yoshin secretly continued outside the major corporate laboratories. In 2103, it was discovered by the talented Dr. Hernandez that these elements have unique characteristics like no other in the human body. Unlike the rest of the body, the element of Yoshin can't be mapped via DNA, nor can it be cloned. Dr. Hernandez also discovered that when a part of the body is cloned, these elements aren't present in the clone part. Affiliated researcher psychologist Dr. Vazquez found out that with the reduction of elements of Yoshin in the body, people's behavior started to become more generic. People behave in a predictable and controllable manner. The more cloned parts a person has, the less elements of Yoshin are present in the body, and the more. Through their research, Dr. Hernandez and Dr. Vazquez proved that it is the element of Yoshin that gives a person its individuality and its uniqueness. After centuries of research done before them, Dr. Hernandez and Dr. Vazquez had finally found the building blocks of the human soul. They renamed the element of Yoshin the identity particle.